Hey, this is Hans coming at you with another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today I've got something from Taiwan. This is a huge box from Mom's Dry Noodle. They've done new packaging on their products and there's a little surprise with that. And yeah, so let's crack it open and have a look inside. Bam, big box. Let's have a look. So first off, this is a Xiaoban Mian variety. This is a new spicy meat paste flavor. I've really enjoyed all the other varieties of Xiaoban Mian, so I'm stoked. I didn't know they were sending this, so this is really cool. Thank you. This is the new packaging for Mom's Dry Noodle. As you can see, it's got this lady, and her name is A Lin. She is a popular singer in Taiwan. And look, they also have the Ramen Rater right there. Pretty cool. Yeah, gave them permission to use my logo and really proud to see it on their packaging. Yeah, that's better. See, how about this one? I'm not sure which these are. I'll have to ask for a list of the color codes because they're all color coded, as you can see on the back. The thing is though, most people who are having this, they can read that. So actually, they included something else I asked about, and super kind of them to do so. Check it out. This is an unused package, which when it comes to scanning them and everything, it's gonna be much easier. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, I always like their packaging. They're the ones who came out originally with this kind of handled lunchbox design. That's pretty neat. So yeah, very cool. Thank you very much to Mom's Dry Noodle for shooting these along. Really neat. And you'll be seeing a lot of these, probably all of them, in future episodes of my new series, Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Well, it's still new, but there's almost 50 episodes I've come out with so far, so you can check it out here on YouTube. And yeah, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.